and one extinct class and Blastodia. So this is the larval form of Echinodermata. This is the Asteroidea larva. Asteroidea larva is the three larva: early Bipinnaria and Branchiolera larva. So this is the first in early Bipinnaria larva. Early Bipinnaria larva like Holothuridia bipinnaria. This is the oval body, the right arm, ciliary band, and locomotion as well fine. And the developed alimentary canal for the feeding and grow become the Bipinnaria larva. This is the structure: ciliated tract, mouth, coelom, stomach, and anus. The next is Bipinnaria larva. Bipinnaria larva possess 5 pair of ciliated arms. This is the node and any skeletal support. These arms are used to swimming water, while the leading plantains, perioral and post-oral the present, and the larval intranucleal are the Holothuridia element. So this is the Bipinnaria larva. Next is the Brachyolera larva. Brachyolera larva is the form of 6 to 7 week life of growth in Bipinnaria, and these larvae are sedentary and attached to the hard substratum, which is the possess branchial arms and adhesive disc, and ciliated gate of the reduced become the functional, while the mouth, anus and gut are well developed. The axolotl, hypoxotl and some are the lateral give out to water vascular systems. This is the Brachyolera larva. And the next is the larva of Crinoidea. Crinoidea larva divided into two categories: Pennatula larva and the Pancrinoid larva. So this is the first Pennatula larva. This is the Pennatula larva is the basic larval stage of Crinoidea, but the process inside the egg, and there is a 1 or 2 larval stage. She is like Dololera larva, which is also called the Vitillaria larva. Is found in some of sea lice and resemble Dololera larva. It has the adhesive pit on the ventral side, which is attached to the substratum, become the sedentary. The larva is become demonstrate close the evolutionary relationship between the Crinoidea and the Holothuridia. This is structure of the larva. This is the anus, this is the stomach, this is the intestine, dorsal sac, vestibular, primary intestine, esophagus, and the stone canal. So this is the A structures of the bilateral form and the B structure of the radial larva of Pennatula larva. And the next is Pennatula crinoid larva. This is the Pennatula crinoid larva is the sedentary and attached to the substratum, which attach the plant and plate-like body and substrate supported by the stalk. These are the 10 cilia bearing the tentacle, which are used to capturing food. Both mouth and anus are the same side of the disc. This is larva form Ophiuridia. This is the Ophiuridia larva. This is the Ophiuridia, only larva is the Ophiuridia. The resemble is the Echinodermata larva. Echinoderm general features are Asteroidea, posterior post-anal arms, and present the oral substance of the larva. This is the next larval form of the Echinoidea. These are the single stage of Echinoidea, Echinoplutus. Bilaterally symmetrical, and the larval form of oval body, long paired arms, and supported by the calcareous skeleton, rod spinal arms, and the present in the post-oral arms is absence. So the next larval form of the Holothuridia, auriculata larva and Dololera larva. This is the auriculata larva has the streaking larva resemble to Bipinnaria larva. Asteroidea resemble to possess 4 arms and 5 pair of ciliated arms, swimming and as well as develop the mouth and gut and anus. So Dololera larva is the next stage after auricularia and the bear-like body with the form of ciliata surrounding the mouth and vestibule on the ventral side feeding, while the necessary of the plate, the anterior side of the apical cilia are balancing while the swimming. Dololera transfer into adult, but the some of Holothuridia Dololera stage are rare, may be absent. In inference, the affinity among the larval stage of Echinoderm demonstrate the evolutionary relation among the different classes. However, some relationship cannot be shown in the cladistic classification of the Echinoderm, which is based on the adult characteristic. Adults are the highly modified organism in Echinoderm.